When we moved to Florida way back in 1975, when we got down here, my dad bought me a little Suzuki 100. And what's so crazy is I've been riding motorcycles ever since then, which is now like 45 years. Unfortunately, what I do as an injury and wrongful death attorney, I see terrible things. Statistics show that 80% of accidents are caused by distracted drivers. But what's sad with motorcycle cases is very, very rarely do I handle a minor motorcycle accident case. Motorcycle riders are so vulnerable, they have a tendency to be very, very serious. If you don't ride, if you don't understand riders, if you don't understand the things that are important to them and other considerations, I just don't see how you handle a motorcycle case professionally and to the best of your ability. I love motorcycle riders. I love bikers. I care very much about them and their families because it's me. I am you in that regard. I think there's no doubt that because I have been involved for many, many years riding motorcycles and been a part of the community, plus for the past 30 years almost, I've been an experienced trial lawyer that's handled thousands of injury cases and recovered hundreds of millions of dollars in those cases. That combination of personal riding experience plus experience in trial law make the Allen Law Firm the best choice for you if you need a motorcycle attorney.